Your boy Crypto Million back with another one. Doesn't that 20% look nice on the day for Jasmy? Let's keep it real, man. Jasmy is the only, and I want to say this, and I'm going to stand on business because I've been standing on business for the last year with Jasmy. In my opinion, Jasmy is the only true 100x for a blue chip project. Yes, I have full belief that Jasmy can go from $1 billion market cap to a $100 billion market cap. So if you're thinking that you're too late, oh, Millie, I didn't get into 203 like you and your community, it's okay. Because they got the demand, the hype, the team, tokenomics, adoption, real use case that we're coming up to a resistance that if we break, could send Jasmy to space. Guys, like and subscribe. I will be creating a new Twitter account. I'm over it. I'm over it, okay? Like I don't know what Elon Musk, what type of NPCs he got working in his office that don't look at things, don't check things, right? I got suspended. No one can tell me nothing. No one's responding. So I've personally lost a lot of respect for Twitter and X, right? Because I didn't do anything, and here I'm losing money, really monetization here, and possible deals and partnerships through my Twitter, and they can't even tell me why I'm suspended, right? So I also want to talk about how, guys, I mean, don't get wrapped up into this meme coin bullshit, okay? Let's just focus on projects right now that have utility. It's fun while it's here, it's lasting, but again, I don't know what to expect from the meme coin market, and I think that we have to focus on and keep in touch with our strategies and why we came into cryptocurrency space. Some people didn't come in for meme coin. Some people really believes in the technology, the blockchain about it, right? So Jasmy has broken out, family, again. And we talked about this, right? You can see on the baseline, this thing is freakishly bullish. In fact, on the 3 day, anything above a penny and a half is just freakishly bullish. It looks like it's about to head up to our resistance here, which is about 3.5 pennies. In my opinion, if you're opening a trade after 3.5 pennies, I feel like that Jasmy still has a long way to go, right? It's only a 50 billion supply. I mean, why can't this thing go to a $50 billion market cap? Why can't it do a 50x, 40x? Well, now that is sitting at a $1.5 billion market cap. You know, you losing, you're losing some now, right? It was what may have been a 50x is now it's 25x. This thing continues to march to the upside. RSI trending to the upside. Stock RSI a bit overbought, but that's okay, right? Because when we look at the weekly charts, family, this thing has exploded above my resistance here. And I told you guys, if this weekly candle confirms above 2.5 pennies, that is a bullish. That means that this is an official breakout here, right? And we can kind of measure it together. Please, we need Jasmy community. We need 300 likes on the videos. Because my videos has been suppressed, right? Being suppressed. And I literally gave y'all the goddamn juice. I gave these dudes the juice, right? You know, and I gave you the juice. That's all I can say, man. I gave you the juice here. All right, so let's measure that. Okay, that would put us right. Look how crypto works, right? That flag puts us right here at the resistance at about 3.6. So this is the next stop. If we can get this weekly candle to close above this once at one point was resistance, which is 2.5 pennies. Guys, these charts, I don't know how they make sense, but they make sense from a mathematical standpoint. And I've been on top of my game. All right, so we got bullish news today from Jasmy. It wasn't just about the lockup, right? It wasn't the Binance Innovation Zone here. Well, let's take. So Binance did post something, right? But this is on Binance's official little website here, right? It says Jasmy and Apple in partnership as Japan's My Number function enters iPhones next spring. All right, so let's talk about what that actually is and why it's bullish on Jasmy. So Jasmy Coin will integrate Japan's My Number card function into iPhones next spring, confirmed by the Prime Minister of Japan and Apple CEO Tim Cook. This is confirmed by Apple CEO. This partnership enhances digital identity security using blockchain technology. The bullish thesis here is that the integration of Jasmy Coin into iPhone marks a significant milestone, potentially driving widespread adoption and recognition. This strategic move can boost Jasmy's value as it becomes central to Japan's digital identity system, signaling strong growth and potential. So this is where it's at. Family, this is where it's at. This is where it's at right now. So I am bullish on Jasmy, right? And we're going to talk about why and how this can start with Apple and eventually get adopted by all phone carriers here. All right, Apple, Android, Samsung, Google, whatever, whoever creates phones will adopt Jasmy's utility and technology here. All right, so the integration of Jasmy Coin with Japan's My Number card on iPhone enhances security and trust through blockchain technology, driving broader adoption and increasing its user base. This strategic move can expand Jasmy's ecosystem. Also, we talked about a few videos ago how they plan on allowing you to borrow and lend GPU power. And I told you guys that if they tapped it into their partnerships, Toyota, Panasonic, right? These Toyota has electric cars, right? When the cars are not, when they're just sitting on a lot, hey, can we use that CPU power, that GPU? Panasonic, tons of electronics. Now we have Apple on board. This is huge. This strategic move can expand Jasmy's ecosystem, allowing it to offer a unified platform for digital identity, CPU power, lending, and AI-powered services, thereby significantly boosting its utility and use case, guys. So now you can be able to prove your identity simply from your Apple phone utilizing blockchain technology, right? With the Jasmy Coin integrated into iPhones, imagine using your phone not only as a secure digital ID, but also to rent out your device's unused GPU and CPU power to others. This creates a new income stream for you and boosts Jasmy Coin's utility, much like how Airbnb lets you rent out your spare room. And to dig even deeper into this partnership here with Jasmy, you can see here, it says people don't understand that the technology that Jasmy has developed all these years is for any smart device, guys, that collects data. This is why I said this years ago, maybe a year and a half ago, right? When I first started covering Jasmy, I seen the growth of AI. I understood that data drives AI. AI can't live without data. It's like you got AI, and if AI had blood, data would be the blood. If AI was the car, data would be the gas. So Jasmy has developed all these years is for any smart device that collects data. That includes all Androids, Google, Apple, or any smart device like doorbells, smart cars. You get the point here. Any company that has technology that is driven upon data can utilize Jasmy's data lockup, right, to secure data, to monetize data, and allow people to have a choice if they want to sell their data, opposed to your data being poached by these companies and sold off to the black market, and then you wonder why someone steals your fucking identity. Jasmy prevents all of that. All right. So anything that collects data could potentially use Jasmy's patented technology. The best part for now is that Jasmy is the only one that managed to develop this technology in time. Guys, we are early. This is bullish news. Jasmy is the only blue chip, I believe, that can successfully put a 100x above a $1 billion market cap. Guys, you let me know what you think. I'm going to catch you in the next one. This is bullish. We're going to be looking for Jasmy to cross 3.5 pennies. And if it can hold it, that breakout is going to be nasty work. It's your boy Crypto Millie. I'll see you in the next one. I'm creating a new Twitter. Can't take it no more. Guys, please comment. 300 likes.